2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power door locks, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, passenger vanity mirror, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.